5 Best Cooking Pans. Pre-seasoned cast iron 3-piece skillet set. From Universal Housewares. One of the most convenient and best skillets on the market today, the Universal Housewares pre-seasoned 3-piece set definitely makes for a great wedding/housewarming gift, but we think you are probably going to want it for yourself. Comes with a 10-inch, 7.825-inch, and 6.25-inch skillets. Cast iron materials provide better heat retention for more even cooking. Factory pre-seasoning more durable than home seasoning. Two-piece Nonstick Fry Pan Set. From Allen. The Allen 2-piece nonstick set of pans are one of the best nonstick skillet pan sets out there today. The set consists of one 8-inch pan and one which comes in at 10 inches. Both are made of aluminum, but not your typical aluminum. These are made with an anodized aluminum, which gives a heaviness not always easy to find in other pans. Not only that, but it provides a surface for quick, even heating, eliminating those dreaded hot spots that so many other skillets have. The dual-layer non-stick interior surface gives you a place for extra simple food release and cleanup. These ovens save up to 450 F. Comes with full lifetime warranty. $62,005 Frying Pan. From Burjeet. Are you looking for a good-sized, sturdy skillet that's going to last you for years to come? Then check out the Burjeet Black 062005. The appeal is that they're supposed to be able to handle just about anything you throw at it. These pans can make a delicious breakfast, just as well as dinner or dessert. The weight is only 4 pounds, makes it easy to handle. It can be seasoned for non-stick use and prolonged life. It has great value for such a high-quality item, and also this is very easy to clean. A85700 Nonstick Fry Pan. From Tefal. This pan is ideal for 1 or 2 people. Make breakfast sandwiches, bagels, or perfectly sized portions with ease. The non-stick interior surface makes for not only easy cooking but cleanup, too. The PFOA-free non-stick coating provides a superior release, yet durable enough for dishwashers or ovens up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also compatible with all cooktops, minus induction. The aluminum construction is lightweight, yet durable, and gives even heating with no hot spots. Cast iron skillet. From Lodge. If you are looking for a good pan for your kitchen, this pan would be your best choice. Cast iron provides superior heat retention and is unparalleled for even cooking. Skillet is 10.25 inches in diameter and includes red silicone hot handle holder. It is great for induction cooktops. Seasoned with oil for a natural, easy release finish that improves with use.